Okay, time for a little shop tour with my new kick-ass GoPro camera. I can use both of my hands while I record and stuff, which is really sweet. Turn on some lights here. Alright, here we got a motorcycle. It's pretty sweet. Makes me feel like I need to stick out my chest so I can see it all. But it's in wide angle, so test this all out. Alright, we got another motor. I don't know how well the lights work yet, so let's turn on this light. I don't know how the lighting on this thing works. I have to figure out what angle works best to shoot things at too. So if I stick my hands out, I smoke. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Let's see, here we got another motorcycle. My super badass little lathe. See? Zoom, zoom, zoom. Woo! That should be fun later. Let's see. Parts. Lathe. Let's see, we got this super awesome little mini bike. Gotta play with that. Stupid Honda. Badass lathe. Milling machine. Sweet. Let's see. Really dirty right now. Need to do some cleaning. Let's see. What else can we shop to her? Ooh, sandblaster. That's over there. We got another motorcycle. Got bench grinder, toolbox, welder. Stuff on the walls, more parts, stuff, and stuff. That's about it. Pretty super awesome little tour. Kind of like how I can do stuff while I record, but not have to worry about recording. I can just do stuff. Should be interesting.